Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set a reminder on iPhone. Without wasting your time, first tap on the reminder on your home screen. Then tap bottom left corner on new reminder. Then type your title and notes for reminder. Then tap on the details and select your date and time for the reminder, and also select the location. Tap on the top right corner add, and your reminder is set for your special works, office works, glossary and many things from your home. I hope you enjoy my video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icons for further and more updates.